A very good evening to you. It was the turn of the south to get the bad weather today, the worst of it certainly, as this low pressure area tracked across South Wales, through the Midlands, and is now pushing out into the North Sea. We had some very strong winds to the south. These were the gusts I saw this afternoon, 97 miles an hour at start point, nearly 90 miles an hour near Odium in Hampshire, and some quite strong winds, but they are on the way out now. The satellite picture also shows a great lump of cloud pushing across the England and Wales, and that's brought a lot of rain. I think when we get the figures in, it'll be over an inch of rain in many places, and another great batch of cloud sitting out in the Atlantic waiting to bring more wet rain in during Friday. Well, as far as the satellite picture is concerned over the British Isles, you can see it obliterates the country just at the moment. That's on the way out, but these are shower clouds, snow showers waiting to pack their way into central parts and northern parts of Scotland overnight. A couple of weather warnings: Essex and Kent over the next hour or two, still winds gusting up to 75 miles an hour, say they're on the way out, and the snow over the Pennines and Peak District, that is pushing its way away as well. So as we go through this evening and as we go through tonight, a lot of clear weather coming over central and eastern parts of England in particular. There'll still be some sleet and snow showers in the north, down the western side, and particularly over northern parts of Scotland. As the winds freshen up, there could be more blizzards coming into Scotland. Two things to watch on the wind. Watch how these very strong winds push off into Holland and Belgium fairly soon now, and then the strength of the wind up in central and northern parts of Scotland. Those are gale force winds, and they'll be bringing the blizzards. But as the weather clears away in many places, so it's going to turn cold. Could be a frost almost anywhere, with some icy patches on some of the roads. As far as tomorrow is concerned, then, a much gentler day, a much brighter day over many parts of England and Wales. A dry one here with some sunshine. There will be one or two showers, particularly in northwestern parts of England. Snow showers too over Scotland, across into Northern Ireland. I think those are going to become lighter as we go through the afternoon, but at the same time, rather more in the way of cloud, bringing some rain into these western parts later on through tomorrow. These are the temperatures: up to 8 in the south, cooler than that in the north, and the winds freshening up later in the west. That's it from me.